can rip it open.
Who gave him these gifts?
Let's see what's in here.
Hey! He's watching me and he's doing this. He's going, did you get a board game?
Yes.
Woo!
What is it, buddy?
Josiah, can you say cheese?
Is it called Candyland?
Josiah.
Let's play, guys.
Oh, that would be fun! Great! Okay, Josiah, can you open yours? Come open your present. I think we'll play yours next. Josiah, look at this.
I
Orange.
have a cool box.
Wow, it's a
Open your
Yeah, open
present.
it up. Pull it. Pull it.
Open yours.
Pull it. You gonna help him open his present? Ready? Pull it. Pull it, Josiah.
Let's see what's in here. We got a dusty crop duster. It's a dusty crop duster.
Orange.
Oh,
Open
that
that,
one.
Josiah.
Or go open the one that Esther has. Hurry. Go see what that one is.
Here, it's for you, from me.
wait.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Look at that, Josiah.
Oh, it has a drawing thing. Wow, I'm writing it.
Orange, first, there's a present that Esther wants you to
Go
open.
open your present. We gotta get it out of the box.
Well,
Orange.
he's checking
These
it.
things will be good.
Orange, go open those. Orange, you should open those. Those might be what you want.
He's got a
You want
smile on
help?
his
Need
face.
help? There you go.
Go to
Orange.
see.
Orange, here.
Go to Esther.
Orange. Here, can you pull off the thing? Uh-huh.
What's this one?
What is he looking at?
It's a toy.
It's a
It's
slipper.
a slipper.
Put it on your foot.
Yeah, let's see. It's an airplane.
He just like
Is that a dusty crop hopper slipper?
Yeah.
Wow, Orange. Do you love those? Those are great.
Yeah, there's airplane.
So what do you tell Esther?
Thank you.
Can we get a hug? Oh, thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
You're thank you. Oren, can you show me your new slippers so I can take a picture of you?
Yep.
I want to see.